Welcome. Today, we're addressing a common issue many users face: LinkedIn not showing files. If you've encountered this problem, don't worry. We have a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. Let's dive in. First, close the app and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches that prevent files from displaying correctly. Just swipe up or use the task manager to close LinkedIn completely, then open it again. Next, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for LinkedIn to function properly. To do this, open your device's settings and click on the network icon. Ensure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. If your connection seems fine, check your network settings. Sometimes issues with your router or modem can affect app performance. Restarting your router can often resolve these problems. If you're still having trouble, ask the sender to resend the file. There might be an issue with the original file transfer that could be causing it not to show up on your end. Another effective step is to clear the app cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing issues. From your device settings, locate LinkedIn settings and select Clear Data. Then choose Clear Cache and confirm this action. After clearing the cache, it's important to restart your device. This ensures that all changes take effect and gives your device a fresh start. Once your device has restarted, open the app again and check if the files are now visible. This process often resolves many common issues with apps not displaying content correctly. By following these steps, restarting the app, checking your internet connection, asking for a file resend, clearing the cache, and restarting your device, you should be able to fix the problem of LinkedIn not showing files. Remember, technology can sometimes be tricky, but with these simple fixes, you'll be back on track in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.